Hello, dear students. I am Dr. Kapil Chaturvedi, Associate Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Sagar Institute of Research and Technology, Bhopal, Sage Group, Bhopal. Uh, in this lecture, we will discuss our second topic, software product and process characteristics under our subject software engineering. So let's start. So first of all, we will have to understand what is software product. So as you know very well that in our daily life, we use lots of applications we use in daily life. Whenever you use your cell phone, you use WhatsApp, Facebook, calendar, calculator, uh, Skype, Zoom, Gmail, Hotmail, Adobe Reader, Instagram. Lots of application you are using in your daily life. You are using browser, you are using YouTube, you are using the Google Drive, you are using the Google Map. So these all are the applications. As you know that these all are the applications and these all are the software products. Use Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So this is all the applications. So what is the concept of that? How will implement that? So you know very well that as a software engineer, you know very well that to develop that application, we have to generate some code behind of that. So these all are the software product. But as the definition of software product, what is software product? Software product are nothing but software systems delivered to the customer with the documentation that describe how to install and use the system. So if we are giving the definition from the point of view of a software company, then software product is nothing. Software product is a software or application, either that the application may be web application or desktop application, which we have to, or which a company have to develop and provide to the customer as per their need. In certain cases, software product may be part of system product where hardware as well as software is delivered to a customer. In such kind of cases, you see that whenever you use a scanner or a printer, you know that to use that additional devices, we will have to install the additional software with that known as drivers. So these softwares or that software products is known as system softwares. Software products are produced with the help of the software process. The software process is way in which we produce software. So to develop that softwares, we use a process model, which we will discuss in the next class. So fundamentally, the software product are the applications which we are using in daily life. But if we divide that software in category wise, or we categorize the software, if you want to categorize the software in different categories, so we can divide that software into categories. First one is generic product and second one is customized product. So simply, if I say that generic products are the products which we develop once and deploy on the client side, like the calculator which you are using in your cell phone, calendar which you are using in your cell phone. But some products are which require continuous updations, like if you take an example of Amazon or Flipkart websites. So these applications require continuous updations because time to time, or on the festival times, they provide various offers, different offers to the customers. So to show that offers, they require different views, different visualizations, different view of show their product, and also they change the product mm, offers. Ultimately they have to need to change their applications time to time. So if application which require continuous updations will be known as customized product. So what is the definition officially of that? Generic products are standard alone systems that are developed by a production unit and sold on the open market to any customer who is able to buy them. That's it. And customized product are the systems that are um, commissioned by a particular customer. Some contractor develops the software for that customer. So we are using here the term contractor because once a software product develop and deploy on the client side, it requires continuous updations and a contract which will be signed between company and the client to update that software time to time. There may be one of the third party which can maintain that software time to time. Now, there are some characteristics of software products. What kind of characteristics should have in software product? So very first characteristic is efficiency. So a software which you are implementing must be efficient. It means that should be robust. The performance of that software should be very fast. Maintainability, it means the software should be maintainable. It means if we have to change something in this product, then we can. If maintainability is not in that software product, then we cannot update that product time to time. Dependability, it is the flexibility of the software that to not cause any physical or economic injury within the event of system failure. It includes a range of characteristics such as reliability, security, and safety. uh, so the keywords of that point is reliability, security, and safety. uh, if you're using a ERP system for your organization, then uh, the very first requirement of you will be that data which we are entering in our ERP system, which will be for lifetime, that will be secure and safe. No one can hack that data, and the applications, the data which is provided by the application, which is reliable. If I say to you that very simple and very popular example of reliability is you all use Gmail, you use Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm also. So how, how and why you uh, connect your account with Paytm, how you connect your account with Google Pay, how you connect your account with Phone Pay. Whenever you don't know where the Phone Pay's owner is sitting, you don't know who is the owner of Google Pay. Actually, if you have any issue, then from whom we will contact. But we add our account in Google Pay and we make transactions with by using that. We make the transaction by Paytm. Why? Because the software is reliable. We believe that that software is safe, that software are secure, so that we use that products. So that feature is known as dependability. Now, software which you are implementing, or a software which is implemented by a software company, that should be in with budget of the client as per the contract. uh, for example, if we take an software products order in our company, and that software cost is 50 lakh rupees, And during the implementation, we realized that uh, that project will be delay, and the expenses over that software will be 60 lakh rupees. So in this situation, customer will not permit us to increase the amount of that software, so which we have to complete that software within the budget. We cannot exceed the budget. Functionality, the software system should exhibit the proper functionality, that is should perform all the functions it is supposed to perform. So that is a very fundamental feature. That feature is very fundamental in each and every software. The functionality which is the proposed by the client, or mentioned in the requirement document, we should have in the software. The software must be equipped with all functionality which is uh, the mentioned in the requirement document by the customer. Adaptability, it means that software should be adaptable. I'm again coming on the Google Pay and Phone Pay and Paytm. So we adapt that application. We adapt that application. So your application should be adaptable. That application should be easy to use. That application should be secure. That application should be robust, so that the customer or the client or the end user can easily adapt that. The software system should have the ability to get adapt to a reasonable extent with the changing requirements. So these all are the characteristics of a software product. And in the next class, next lecture, in next video, we will discuss the software process models, in which we will cover waterfall model, incremental model, rad model, spiral model, component based software development model, and some more model we will discuss in the next lecture. Thank you.